I'm discussing about selenium. We will discuss what is selenium, why we need the selenium, and components of the selenium and uses of the selenium. What is selenium? Any idea about what is selenium? Selenium is the open source automation testing suite. Selenium can be used to automate functional tests and functional tests. Selenium suite also helps in automatic only web applications. Why we need the Selenium? Selenium is the open source. We no need of paying anything, any license or anything. That is free of cost, free only for using to anyone. So Selenium is the open source. And next is works with any operating system like Windows, Linux, like any operating system. This Selenium will work. And Selenium performs tests on any web browsers, Internet Explorer, Chrome, like that. Any of the web browsers Selenium is supporting. And Selenium also supporting multiple programming languages like C Sharp, Java. So we can use like this different programming languages we can use for writing the test scripts. Next is components of the Selenium. Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. These are the components of the Selenium. First, we will discuss about Selenium IDE. What is Selenium IDE and drawbacks of Selenium IDE? Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Basically, Selenium IDE is the Firefox plugin, and it had the feature of record and playback. Next, we are discussing about the drawbacks of the Selenium. It restricts the test cases execution to the Firefox browser. Execution of the test cases is very slow, and parallel execution is not supported. No mobile testing is supported. These are the drawbacks of the Selenium IDE. Selenium RC. Selenium RC allows to create the test scripts in multiple programming languages like Java, .NET, PHP, Python, etc. And Selenium RC is supporting the most of the browsers like Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer. Like that, Selenium RC is supporting multiple browsers. And Selenium RC also supports parallel execution. Selenium WebDriver. Next one is Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver means that's a open source, that is a collection of open source APIs. These APIs we are using for automating the testing of web applications. And also the Selenium WebDriver supports the different programming languages like C Sharp, Java, Python, Perl, PHP, Ruby, like that. Different programming languages also Selenium WebDriver supports. And Selenium WebDriver is faster than the Selenium RC because that architecture is simpler compared to Selenium RC. And this Selenium WebDriver is the updated version of RC, Selenium RC. And next one is the Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid is a tool. This tool we are using for the parallel execution of the test scripts on different browsers, machines, and different operating systems. And this Selenium Grid also supports the cross browser compatibility.